Hi everyone, this is Tony here to share with you what the profiling team has been working on. If we jump into the profiling landing page, we are now presented with a list of profiles grouped by the transaction name and the project. We can also see when that was last seen, the P75 and P95 durations of the profiles, and the number of profiles we collected. If we come up here to the search bar, we can now search for some attributes on the profiles, such as the device classification, device model, some information about the operating system. And what we're going to do is we're going to focus on just the version, and specifically the 0.1 build 183. You can see now the table has updated to reflect just the profiles from this version. If we look at this table, we can actually click the transaction name to get a summary view of the list set of profiles. Here we have a list of the recent profiles. We can see some information about them, such as the version, the device model, and device classification, as well as duration of the profile. We can page through this list, look at some older profiles, and if we see a profile that we're interested in, we can click the profile ID to look at the flame graph. Down here, we have a list of suspect functions. Suspect functions are the functions that the application spend the most time in. For example, our top result here is this UI collection view set content offset frame. I'm going to copy that. They happened in UI kit core binary, and we can see how long that took on a P75 and P95. We can see how frequently they occur, right? For this is just one. And we can look at an example by clicking the profile ID to the right. If we search for that frame name, we can see down here that it takes about 57% of the whole profile, which is indeed quite long. We can also click a specific frame, for example, the CF run loop run specific, to get a more detailed view. We can see the self time is 0 nanoseconds and the total time is 3.66. We can actually expand this frame to see all its children, and we see that this CF run loop run took about 68% of it. And we actually continuously to expand each frame until we reach the leaf. Well, and that's everything I have to share today. Thanks for listening. Bye.